so much shit around this island now.
1, 2, 3,
Jesus.
4.
Yeah, maybe Cosmic next. Any of the rainbows are worth money usually.
Champions Path, Unified Minds, or Cosmic?
Do Cosmic then CP.
Cosmic and
Need
CP
another
it is.
shovel.
How do you even open these? I don't think I've ever opened one of these.
The pack's inside of it, just like in the middle. You just
Just
rip
tear it open.
Yeah.
What comes in this one?
there's
The
that
potential Charizard. There's rainbow rares that are worth money.
Say less. You said
The
Charizard.
trainer cards are good. Yeah, like it's
I
pretty
don't
good
have to
set.
care about it. You said Charizard. We're good.
It's all you ever really need to save for a pack.
I guess open the Blastoise last.
1, 2, 3. Blastoise last.
Yeah. I
Yeah.
think the
The
Blastoise
little
off
babies
fire.
first. Huh?
Blastoise.
Yeah, start off with the babies first. You know, start off small.
Eclipse.
You know, there's symbolism in everything. So like,
And this one, I guess this one's 4 as well.
Yeah, I think so.
Too many packs everywhere. 3, 4. Energy. Oh, Vaporeon. Absol. These are all Keats Pokemon.
Yeah.
Leap, Piplup, Vulpix, Rockruff, Stuffle, Rowlet,
Hey, Rowlet.
Reverse Golduck.
Reverse.
I used to think
And-
Golduck looked mad sick.
Nothing.
Wow, really? Even with the white card, I don't understand how it works.
So next.
Yeah, it's just first pack. This is the baby pack.
You right, Chris. You right.
Yeah, it's
You
the
know,
warm-up.
there's symbolism and meaning in everything. You just gotta you know, look for it, connect the pieces. Lizard people.
Lights. Guess the energy, Chris?
Guess the energy. It's psychic.
Oh,
This pack's dog shit now at this point.
well, another Golduck. Pangoro. Trapinch. Not bad. The baby. Tangela. Tuskull. Temple. This one looks cool. I don't even know how to pronounce it. Is it the
La
baby?
bebe.
The
La
baby.
bebe. I don't know.
And
Oh.
Oh,
Charizard.
that's a Charizard, sir.
Zard. The Zard.
Good for you, man.
How much is that? What the heck?
The second
I
last
don't know,
pack.
but
is-
Charizard.
Not Charizard, it's a.
We won it. We did it, boys, and everyone involved.
Worth. Dude, also, was it? I ordered from like that God's Arena place. I forgot what I ordered, but then I just got like a few singles, like Arcanines. I think that's what I'll collect is Arcanine.
Arcanines it.
They don't seem too expensive. I didn't see anything that crazy.
Yeah, there's not a
I've
lot
seen
of them.
some, but yeah, like they're definitely not on Charizard level. Okay. Last Cosmic. That's 4. Water. The bomb. Fishing rod. Another Vaporeon. Rhino. Magnemite. Eevee. Another Flab. Little
Seems
reverse,
very similar to the other pack.
Reverse Cotton. And
Charizard.
a Fiona.
Yay!
It's fine. Pulled a pretty
That's
nice
okay.
card.
Got a Charizard.
You pulled the Charizard. We're good.
What's next? Unified? Or PP?
I don't know what is in Unified. Might as well do Unified. Like, I know that there's like an expensive Mewtwo, but other than that, I'm not sure.
Alright, let's do it. Two packs. Oh, they give you. Oh, it's just one pack, and they suddenly. I've been swindled.
Oh, what the fuck?
I've been swindled. What's it? What's this?
Is that
What is
Charizard?
that?
No, it's a Salamence.
Yeah,
Let's see.
Ooh, you can sell that to Keith for big money. Tell her you can finesse Keith so easily. I pulled a Salamence.
Is this just a promo?
And you know, you technically you might not be
I
wrong.
don't know what it is. Like, show it a little bit more to the camera.
Looks
It's
pretty
fine.
What the hell?
nice.
Oh,
Nice
that's
card.
Fire. Don't sell it to Keith. Fuck
It definitely. It looks like the Japanese card.
Wait, isn't that my Pokemon? Charles, you have
Huh?
to buy it. I'm just kidding.
Oh
Isn't
yeah,
that
you
my
used a
Pokemon?
Salamence, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, I think I remember using a Salamence.
Okay,
Good,
a Sun
good
and
choice.
Moon card.
Salamence is an amazing Pokemon.
Was Sun and Moon? I don't remember. Whatever. Four. Just gonna take a guess. Dragonair. Golbat. Come on, catcher. Litten, my boy, my fire starter boy.
Litten.
A little Poliwrath, reverse,
That actually looks pretty good.
and common, non-hollow, Sidulai.
Burn it.
Oh,
Yo, Renz, you missed it. Like, I don't know what card Charles pulled, but he was tired of it and ripped it on stream.
what the fuck?
There was a really good one where
There's just some cards that you don't want to see anymore after pulling 10 of them. Like,
Because
Charles
that was what 72 packs.
Charles took it out
72
that night.
pack,
He
Which
opened
one
the
was it,
pack.
Charles?
Machamp or a Lincoln Rock. I think I can't remember. It's one of the two.
The Machamp was the other stream. The double Machamp. He started off his night with a shiny Machamp, and he ended his night
Yeah, and then exactly. It was dark.
That's crazy, Charles. What the
Guess the energy?
There was like fire.
electric?
What is it, steel?
Let me see.
I don't even
No,
know
it's
what
dark.
this
It
is.
looks like it's dark.
I'm uneducated.
Dark.
Tilt it.
Oh.
Yeah, it's dark.
Yeah.
Vigoroth.
Marini.
Electric. Reverse. And
That thing's hideous.
trash. Don't buy that box.
Don't buy that.
Put it in the video. Don't buy this. Trash.
Don't buy this.
Unless the Salamence is
pretty
worth something.
The Salamence was kind of hot.
It was kind of cool. Yeah.
Hell odd. I can still reach
CP time?
Yep. These are gonna hurt to watch because there's a lot of fluff in that set.
Oh.
I opened a lot of these packs and I got absolutely nothing.
It's Marnie.
It's true. Chris wants
That's
to
why you
talk
have,
about
that-
it.
that's why you have a Spanish last name instead of a
I
traditional.
didn't know
Mayan
you were
last name.
Latino.
Huh?
That's
How
what
many
you said,
champions path? 8 champions path?
Good luck,
Is
sir.
it? Is really the
Look,
only thing?
Bones-
Is really the
Bones is-
only? It's only the Charizards, eh? The rest of this set is dog shit, isn't it?
Yeah. I mean, some of the cards look cool, but it just doesn't soften the blow when you don't get a Charizard.
But there's going to be a Charizard in the 6-pack. Easy.
6-pack? Oh, yeah, I like it.
6-pack, easy. I say it with confidence.
Doing like prophecies right now.
It always does.
Yeah, who knows if they're right or not.
Who knows?
I've been buying a Cash for Life every single day from a different
Yeah?
convenience store. Because someday I'm going to win Cash for Life.
Kyra, you good?
Don't get mad,
Huh?
but Bones gave me basketball shoes.
Wow.
Swablu, Scraggy, Carvana, Big, a little Milo, and
And
Machamp.
That's hot.
damn, that's scary. That's very scary. That's toxic.
That's a good sign. It's a good sign.
I don't think I need all of these apple trees anymore. There's too
Just
many.
hope for no whale lords. That'd be a little fucked up. That'd be
What's
dark.
wrong with Waylord?
There's a lot wrong with a whale lord.
Don't diss my water types.
Yeah, Charles, tell him.
I'm not a whale lord guy.
How many whale lords did you get?
I think was it like 2 or 3 in the same box? It was fine.
It was like 3.
Yeah, it was actually really messed up.
Really?
Sounds like a good time.
Absol, Guinea, Sonia. Give me the full art Sonia, dude. Nickit, Ekins, Professor's Research, Reverse, and Lycanroc.
Like in rock.
Alright, pack number 2. We
Looks
still
cool
have-
though, but I assume he's not worth anything.
What is that? Dusk form?
Midnight
Oh,
form?
shit.
No, I mean, what's that other one? Dawn? Dusk? Day form?
Day form. Midday, midnight.
Yeah, that's what it is.
You know, the midday form is kind of trash.
Midday form is trash. Dusk form is basically what midday form should have been.
Honestly, dusk form is like it's all right considering it's a mix of
What,
both.
you like midnight form?
Midnight form is sick. It's pretty hot. It's pretty fire.
You would be fire right now. Oswald.
Ace, steel.
I almost
Oh
ordered
my
that.
god.
What
I-
spice
I
level?
don't know how
Here
Kyra
we
lives
go
next
again.
to
Here we
What
go.
spice
mild,
level?
just mild.
No, that's
My
not
go-to,
fire.
my
Mild,
go-to
mild.
is some Burger Street.
I signed up for the free month of Dash.
Mild
Pass.
is not fire.
Maybe
Mild
is
I'll
not-
tonight.
For free
I took
delivery?
green beans and quinoa, and I was like, this fucking sucks.
Professor's Research, Hollow.
That's pretty cool.
That's what was in there?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
Shit.
Yikes.
Don't worry, there's still
It's shiny.
what 5 more packs?
Yeah, it's shiny, but like the only card in the set that people give a shit about is Charizard.
Okay, he got at least.
A
No, you
different
got a
pack.
Charizard.
Oh.
No,
It's not-
The one in
this,
this
the
pack
Charizard
is
in this
worth-
path is like $500.
Yeah, like minimum $500.
Holy shit.
The Charizard.
Would I sell it though? Is the question.
What did you do with the rest of your trees, Kara? Because you didn't keep all the apples, right? Or all the fruit trees? I have so many.
Yeah, who's your favorite villager?
I only have
Oh,
two.
actually, like all my villagers, except for this
choke.
one bitch.
One center
Yeah,
and hop.
Chris, you can't just choose
like-
like that.
Rodney's my boy.
Octavian,
Rodney's my boy. Pierce is my
and-
boy.
Who?
I didn't even know Chris was on Animal Crossing.
I
I'm
have,
Yeah,
not
but-
on Animal
I have-
Crossing.
I have Octavian and.
Oh, you're not?
A Hollow
Who's the
Energy.
other one?
Looks sick.
There's one more
Is
after.
there a Charizard behind it?
Could be.
Show me the
Another one?
Champions
Oh, no.
pack, baby. Champions pack.
My
Champions Path cheese. Is this worth sleeving? I'll sleeve it anyways.
Okay, the wasps are actually high key annoying.
Yeah, they are. They're actually very hard to catch.
Fuck
Give me a
off.
VMAX, like please, one VMAX.
Oh my gosh, I'm getting such good stuff.
you just gotta turn around, pretend you don't want it, and then bam, catch that beam. I mean, catch that wasp. Yo, the true money is to find like a good island and then catch their fish if they have like koi fish or some shit.
If what?
Like go to like someone's island and be like, try to hope it's like a good fishing island.
Oh,
I didn't.
The actual money is just doing the turn up thing.
Yo, Bell's Bell, what's it calling it?
The
Tom
turn up
Bell
time
Bell.
travel thing.
is a capitalist
Carvana.
bitch.
Ooh, this dropped me a piece of furniture.
Ekans. Weedle. Another hollow energy.
Yo,
What's
this-
behind it?
I like the look of them a lot. Could it be the Charlotte?
Nope. A Zygarde.
This is pack 5 though, right? This is pack 5.
Yeah.
Alright,
was
pack
five.
6. This is the one. This is the one. Clearly, I know what I'm doing.
With the Dreadnought front. This pack is tough to open. Maybe that means something. Oh shit, it's really hard to open.
That must mean something.
Hopefully.
They really jammed that Charizard in there.
And jinxed. Thanks, Chris.
I didn't jinx it. I already called it.
Suspicious. Hyper.
If anything, calling it already jinxed it.
Zig. Roly Coly. Potion. Reverse Vulpix. Moment of truth. Another Zygarde.
Like I said,
Champions Path strikes again.
did I say Charizard?
Dog shit, son.
I said
Dog shit,
Zygarde. I didn't say Charizard. This one though, this one's fire. This must be fire.
So many packs. Water.
You know it's gonna be good.
Machoke. Zig. There's so many. The commons just duplicate themselves, man. There's not even a ton of commons in this Altaria. Pretty cool. Reverse.
What's after that?
Trash. Send a Scorch.
Oh man.
One more. Last pack cheese.
Last pack cheese.
Last pack cheese. Fire. Ooh! Fire energy. Show me the Charizard real quick.
With Charlie Zard, let's go.
Turf field.
Charlie.
Kakuna. Nickit. Swablu. Machop. At least I have the full evolution. A bike. And last pack cheese. I mean, it's not bad.
Oh,
Oh,
finally
a V.
something,
Something to
though.
look at.
Try it. That's
What
really
is that?
brutal.
Al
It's
creamy.
called Al Creamy.
Oh,
Creamy.
Ice cream.
Damn,
It's
that was
so
brutal.
Jeez, Kyrie already DM'd you, Price.
I'm doing that right now. I heard you got a.
Heard you got heard you got an Alcuria from me.
Salamence is pretty cool. This
That Vents, though.
Charizard tag
That's a
team.
nice looking Vents.
That's probably the best pull today.
Alright, Charles, where's your
Scissors
packs?
pretty cool.
Oh, the store's closed.